Hello and welcome back to our online classes. So students, today we are continuing our topic, that is settlement of retiring partners. We are taking question number 54, in which A, B, C are partners in 5:3:2, and here as B is in the circle, it means B is retiring from the firm. So students, it is given in the question that after all the adjustments like general reserve, goodwill, like WCR, after all the reserves, their capitals are 1,90,000, 1,50,000 and 80,000. Okay, it means the partner who is retiring, his capital is 1,50,000. Okay, it was decided that entire sum payable to B is to be brought by A and C. इसका मतलब जितना भी हमें B को पेमेंट करना है, A and C will bring that amount. Okay, and how they will bring? In such a way so as to make their capitals proportionate to their profit sharing ratio. इसका मतलब ये दोनों A और C ही मिलके B का पेमेंट करेंगे और वो कैश इस तरीके से लाएंगे कि इनकी जो कैपिटल है वो PSR में डिवाइड हो जाए. ओके, सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द फर्म्स कैपिटल फर्स्ट. फर्म्स कैपिटल विल बी A's capital, B's capital plus C's capital. So it will become 1,90,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 80,000. So it will become 4,20,000. So here is our firm's capital. Now we will calculate new capital of A and C in new ratio, that is 5:2. So A's capital we will calculate 4,20,000 into 5/7, 7 6 are 42, that is 3 lakh. B's capital 4,20,000 multiplied by 2/7, again 7 6 are 42, so it will become 1,20,000. So new capital of A and C, not B, A and C is 3 lakh and 1,20,000. Now let's calculate how much they both will bring the cash. Okay, so we will write here A and C, calculation of amount to be brought. So their new capital is 3 lakh and C 1,20,000, and their existing capital is 1,90,000 and 80,000. So I am subtracting here the existing capital, that will become 1,90,000 and 80,000, just because we are subtracting it. So I am bringing that in the, so here now it will become 1,10,000 and here 40,000. तो अब 3 लाख की और 1,20,000 की कैपिटल को मेंटेन करने के लिए 1,10,000 A कैश लेके आएगा और 40,000 C कैश लेके आएगा. ओके, so our question is asking us for pass the entries. So first I will pass the entry of bringing new capital, that is bank account debit to A's capital to C's capital account. So it will become 1,50,000 we have cash, because they are bringing 1,10,000 and 40,000. Now our firm has the cash of rupees 1,50,000 through which we can paid off our retiring partner. So let's pay him. It will become B's capital account debit to बैंक अकाउंट. इसका मतलब हमारे पास में 1.5 लाख का कैश आया है और हम इमीडिएटली बी को वो कैश पे कर रहे हैं. ओके, so student, this was the question. Again I am repeating that whenever it is said that A and C will bring, it means the remaining partner will bring the sufficient cash in their capital proportion to new profit sharing ratio. We will do our question like this. Okay, we will calculate first the firm's capital. After that we will divide the capital in new profit sharing ratio between the remaining partners, and after that we will check out that how much cash they should bring for maintaining the new capital, and after the cash has been came in our firm, it should be paid off to the retiring partner. Okay, so students, let's take one more example like this. That is question number, we have done question number 54. Now come to question number 55. So students, question number 55, we have done 54. P, Q, R are in partnership sharing profits in 3-2-1. R is retiring from the firm and following balances appeared in their books. So पिछले क्वेश्चन में हमें जो कैपिटल मिली थी that was the capital which was after all the adjustments, but in this question we need to do the adjustment and after that we can calculate our capital that is said to be after all adjustments. So we have goodwill on the asset side, so this goodwill should be written off. Okay, after that we have bank balance on our asset side and other assets 70,000. Here is the total 92,000 of asset side, and on the liability side we have creditors 14,000. After creditors we have capital of all the partners, that is 40, 20 and 18. Goodwill is agreed at 30,000. So at the time of retirement goodwill is valued at rupees 30,000. Sufficient money is to be introduced so that R is paid off, यानी इतना मनी फॉर्म में लाया जाएगा जिससे हम R का पेमेंट कर दें और बैंक में 4,000 का कैश छोड़ दें. इसका मतलब वी कैन यूज ओनली 6,000 आउट ऑफ 10,000. 4,000 हमें बैंक में छोड़ने पड़ेंगे because question is saying P and Q are to provide such sum as will make their capital proportionate to their share of profit. It means ये दोनों इतना कैश लेके आएंगे कि इनकी जो कैपिटल है वो इनके न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में बन जाए. हमें एंट्रीज पास करनी है और उसके बाद में हमें न्यू बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करनी है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल पास द एंट्रीज that will be started from our written off of goodwill. Okay, so let's start question number 55. So students, first we will calculate the closing capital, that means the capital after all the adjustments. So first we will do the adjustment of goodwill, so it will become P's capital, Q's capital, R's capital, that is the written off of goodwill, to goodwill. So as we all know that if goodwill already exists in our firm at the time of retirement, we will written off. So it will become 12,000, 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000 in 3:2:1. Okay, so we have written off our goodwill. Now the goodwill of the firm is 30,000. So we need to calculate, I am leaving the space of entry. R is retiring, so I am calculating R's share of goodwill, that is 30,000 multiplied by 1/6, so it will become 5,000. Okay, 5,000 has been given to R in 3:2 by P and Q. Okay, so let's pass the entry. P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to R's capital, क्योंकि जाने वाला पार्टनर हमेशा गुडविल लेके जाता है और गेनिंग रेशियो में लेके जाता है, एंड बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग मैंशनड अबाउट द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, so our remaining ratio is our gaining ratio. So in gaining ratio, P and Q has given the goodwill to R. Okay, so we have done 2 entries. Now we will calculate the capital which is after all the adjustments. So I can write here calculation after all adjustment, calculation of capital. So it will become P, Q and R. So their opening capital is, that is given to us, it was 40,000, 20,000 and 18,000. Goodwill written off, that was 6, 4 and 2, 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000, and that will become less. And now adjustment of goodwill. So minus 3,000 minus 2,000 and plus 5,000. So it will become 31,000, and here 20 minus 6, so it will become 14,000, and here 18 plus 5, 23 minus 2, that is 21,000. Okay, so these are the capital, last capital. It means after all the adjustments their capital are 31, 14 and 21. So students, now this is question is going to be similar with the that our last question. Now we will calculate firm's capital. Firm's capital will become 31,000, 14,000 and 21,000. So it will become 6, 3, 2, 5 and 1, 66,000. We can write here P's capital, Q's capital and R's capital. So student, one more line is added in our question, that we need to leave the balance of 4,000 in our cash, in our bank. It means out of 10,000 we can use rupees 6,000. तो अगर 66 को मेंटेन करना है तो we can use cash इन बैंक. 10,000 हमारे पास में अवेलेबल है, लेकिन हमें यूज़ सिर्फ 6,000 करने, यानी हमें 4,000 का बैलेंस छोड़ना है. इट मीन्स 60,000 को हमें फर्म की नई कैपिटल मानना है और 60,000 ही पी और क्यू में उनके प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में डिवाइड कर देना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. Calculation of new capitals in PSR, यानी न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, that is 60,000 multiplied by 3/5, and that is for P, and for Q it will become 60,000 multiplied by 2/5. So it will become 12, 12 3s are 36,000, and it will become 12, 12 2s are 24,000. Okay, now calculation of amount to be brought by P and Q. So their new capital is 36,000 and 24,000, and we will subtract here their existing capital after all the adjustments, that was 31,000 and 14,000. okay, so 31,000 and 14,000, तो इनकी जो एग्जिस्टिंग कैपिटल है वो मैंने यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दी. इट मीन्स P will bring 5,000 cash and Q will bring 10,000 cash for maintaining their new capitals. Okay, so let's make the entry of it. That is bank account debit to P's capital account and to Q's capital account. Debit, so it will become 15,000, 5,000 and 10,000. तो देखो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें आर को पेमेंट करना है 21,000 का, तो 5,000 पी ला रहा है, 10,000 क्यू ला रहा है और 6,000 हम अपने बैंक से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो 15 + 6 दैट इज़ 21. इट मीन्स वी कैन डू द पेमेंट टू आर. सो इट विल बिकम आर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट. We can immediately payment to R of rupees 21,000. Okay, so students, this was our new pattern of calculation of amount that is to be given to retiring partner. Okay, so I have taken two similar questions and you can try the examples which are same as them. You can try example number 54, 55. Okay, so these was your questions and this was our today's class, and in our next video we will start the point that how do we calculate when there is a death of a partner. Okay, so our next topic will become death of a partner. Okay.